So here at Skip Dasco Park at 2101 Scenic Drive, you have access to this beautiful park with gazebo, barbecue area, benches by the lake, with the bike trail across the street. This bike trail is well over 13 miles. It's the Legacy Trail, goes all the way to Sarasota, and you can get on the Venice Waterway Trail across the intercoastal there. There's bikers over there, and that's the Venice Waterway Trail. So it's the intercoastal waterway. Not many boats at the moment, but they do come by. A lot of boating in this area. So we get some more bicyclists. Just a beautiful location here in Venice, Florida. If that house is for sale, give me a call, 941-928-5094. Come live in paradise.